Hey guys! Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial with the stuff that I got from e.l.f. I chose one of the palettes that I got that I'm going to do a tutorial on, and it turns out to be this. Not too bad, simple, but if you want to see how I do it, keep on watching. First I'm going to start off by putting the primer all over my eyelids. And I'm going to smooth it in. I'm trying something new back here. I have my mirror back here, so if I keep looking that way, it's because that's where the mirror is. I'm going to start out using the brush that I had got with this. It's called the C brush. And I'm going to take this nice gold here. Bronze. I'm going to start it in the middle of my eye here. I'm just going to keep it towards the middle. Then I'm going to take the color right next to it, which is a darker brown color. I'm going to go on the edge here. You can kind of create your shape here. You don't have to. Then we're going to take this nice purple here at the end and put it in the inner part of your eye. I really liked this purple as soon as I saw it. You just blend it out into the gold. Bronze. Blend it into the bronze. Half of this isn't going to be in frame, is it? I just realized that. Oops. And then you're going to go to this top bronzy brown color. And I'm going to switch to my crease brush. And bring it into the crease here. The nice thing about all these colors is there are a lot of neutral brown colors. Yes, in frame again. I'm in frame this time. But the thing is, we're going to even it out because there's a little bit of silvers in here that we're going to sass it up with. Then I'm just going to my highlight brush. And I'm going to this first cream color here. We're going to put it over the top of our whole eyelid to blend everything out. And then we're going to go back into our corner here and put a little bit of silver over our purple. Just to darken it up a little bit. I'm going to put on a little bit of liquid eyeliner. Oh, this is nice. This is gonna suck. I'm not the best at liquid eyeliner, so I apologize in advance. And half that isn't in frame anyway, so... The hardest part is that I'm left-handed. Not too bad. Not very even, but not too bad. Like I said, I never said I was a professional and I never said I was good at makeup. I just like to do makeup, experiment, see what looks good. Even if it doesn't look good, I like to do it. So, then last for my eye, I'm going to put on some of the mascara. This is the lengthening and defining mascara. I got 2 kinds, but I chose this one. The brush on this is tiny. How am I supposed to do this? I don't know if I like it. I don't even see any on here. Because my eyelashes suck, so it's hard to find a mascara that actually works nice, but that'll do. And then to pull this all together, I have a lip stain that I bought, and it is in Pink Petal. I don't think I showed you guys this in the video because I think I got too excited and I forgot about it. So I'm going to put it on now, see how it works. I guess I could have got a shade darker. It looked darker on the website. So this is it for the look. I hope it wasn't too bad. I mean, I tried to do the colors. It's a nice fall. I love to wear golds and bronzes, but I don't like anything like, I hate jewelry that's golden. I like silver. But for fall, I love to wear my bronzes and golds. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. Bye!